Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
When Bhrigu Muni offered oblations in the fire, immediately many thousands of demigods named Rbhus became manifested. All of them were powerful, having achieved strength from Soma, the moon. It is stated here that many thousands of demigods named Rbhus became manifested because of the oblations offered in the fire and the chanting of the hymns from the Yajur Veda. Brahmins like Bhrigu Muni were so powerful that they could create such powerful demigods simply by chanting the Vedic mantras. Vedic mantras are still available, but the chanters are not. By chanting Vedic mantras or chanting the Gayatri or Rig mantra, one can attain the results one desires. In the present age of Kali, it is recommended by Lord Chaitanya that simply by chanting Hare Krishna, one can attain all perfection.